Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Samsung Galaxy M33 does have the stereo speakers. And to do this, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers on this device with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker, and if the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. And on this device we can find one speaker right here, that's the phone call speaker, and another one is at the bottom right here. And that's basically all of the speakers. Now let's try playing some music and doing the actions which I mentioned. So clearly sound is coming only from a bottom speaker, and that would confirm it. This device doesn't have a stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.